Winter has officially arrived in Ohio, and if your roof isn't ready, the cold, snow, and ice can really take a toll. Today, we are joined by Larry Barica from Able Roof to share what homeowners can do to protect their homes all winter long. Welcome, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us.
So when I think of winter, I don't think about getting roofs worked on, but you guys do it all year. So what should we know about how cold weather affects roofs?
The cold weather will affect your roof, what to look for from the ground, because obviously this time of the year you're not going to get on your roof,
Right.
but you can look for lifted shingles. That's typically the best thing to look for on the ground, and really the only thing you can see from the ground. It's very hard to see if your roof is in bad condition from the ground other than just lifted shingles.
So if you do see that, then you know that that's a problem.
Potentially it could be a problem, yes.
Okay, and so what are some other things that people can spot from the ground? Is that the only thing they can notice?
Typically, yes, from the ground level, just if there's lifted shingles. The one thing you will want to do is make sure, excuse me, there's no debris on your roof as far as leaves, sticks that could cause leaks.
Okay, are there other things beyond roofing, like exterior projects that you all work on in the winter months?
We do. We do windows and we do vinyl siding.
Okay.
We do that year round, and it can be done in the winter, yes.
What are some of the signs that you might need your vinyl siding or your windows worked on?
Vinyl siding and windows are more of a want versus a need.
Okay.
So it's personal preference. If it's time to upgrade your vinyl siding, the siding we offer is exterior portfolio. It's absolutely gorgeous. It will transform your home. It's unbelievable.
Nice. And then for windows, you said that's normally a want also? That's not more of a need?
It's potentially, it could be a need if your windows are old and drafty. Some of our windows are some of the most energy efficient windows on the market.
Nice.
Yeah, they're phenomenal.
Well, that's good to know, because you might think, oh, I need to wait until spring, but you don't. You can get working on it right now. So for those big projects like siding, windows, a new roof, talk about the warranties you offer.
All of our warranties are in-house. We have different systems. We have a good, better, best. So we have a 5-year warranty, a 20-year warranty, and a lifetime warranty, depending on what system you choose.
Okay.
And all of our warranties are held in-house. We cover both the labor and the material.
Okay.
And it's backed by a company that's been around for 44 years. So a very strong warranty.
Nice, very reliable. I like to hear that. So how can homeowners schedule a free inspection or request a quote?
Just call 444-ROOF, and one of our guys can come out and do an inspection of your roof. We do inspections year-round, and this time of the year, we do a good amount of inspections.
Okay, so people are giving you a call, getting those things inspected. Don't need to wait until the weather warms up.
No, as long as there's no snow on your roof, we can get up on the roof and do an inspection.
Fantastic, great to know. Thank you so much for coming in today.
Thank you for having us.
Such a pleasure to talk to you. Be sure to call Able Roof for all your roof, siding, and window needs. We'll be right back.